In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your tokens into MetaMask. First, open your browser and head to portfolio.metamask.io. If you're prompted to unlock your wallet, do that securely and never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Once the site loads, go to the dashboard. This is your overview page, and it's where you can manage assets across supported networks. Next, switch to the tokens section. Here you'll see tokens the wallet already recognizes. If something is missing, open the More menu and choose Import Token. This brings up the import panel that lets you add assets that aren't visible by default. Start by searching for the token. You can type the token's name, its ticker symbol, or paste a contract address. As you type, suggestions appear. Be sure you also set the correct network from the network selector so MetaMask looks in the right place. Ethereum, Polygon, BNB chain, or whichever network your token actually lives on. Matching token name and network is critical to avoid lookalikes. If you don't see the token in the search results, choose the custom token option. This path is for adding any ERC20 or compatible token manually. Paste the token contract address. Always copy this from a trusted source, like the project's official website or a reputable block explorer page, to avoid spoofed contracts. After you paste the address, MetaMask will usually detect the token symbol and token decimals automatically. If those fields stay blank, enter the symbol exactly as published and the decimals value provided by the token issuer. Before proceeding, double-check the selected network here as well so the contract and network match. When everything looks correct, click Add Custom Token. MetaMask will confirm the details and then add the asset to your wallet. Back on the Tokens tab, you should now see the token listed. If the balance reads 0, that simply means the wallet doesn't currently hold that asset on the selected network, or the network may take a moment to update. Give it a moment to update and make sure you're viewing the correct network. Remember, importing a token does not transfer any funds. It just tells MetaMask to display that asset so you can track and manage it. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Dashboard, open tokens, use Import Token, search or add a custom token with the correct contract, symbol, decimals, confirm the network, and finish by adding it. You're ready to view your tokens in MetaMask.